Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add fades to your audio tracks in YouTube. It can help to enhance the audio sounds on if you have multiple audio tracks, songs. If you have fades in between each song, it can make it sound better. So I hope you enjoyed the video and like and share, and thanks for watching. Hi YouTubers, I'm going to go into CapCut now. Then I'm going to go up to here, to this project. You can see the sound on there. Play the sound. So if I click on that soundtrack, and when I click on fade, I've then increased the fade on with the track. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.